everyone, welcome back to another weekly RNA video. This week, we're going to show you a little of what our maintenance team does on a daily basis. This client has had us install their mulch for the past few years. This year, we not only needed to remulch the property, but we needed to remove the old mulch as well. The mulch had become too thick, and when this happens, the mulch can grow mold, retain heat, and hurt the plants within the bed. Plus, they chose a different color. After removing the mulch, we made sure to administer a pre-emergent herbicide before laying down the new mulch. A pre-emergent herbicide helps reduce weed growth before the weeds even sprout. Before installing the new mulch, our crew also went around trimming and shaping all the plants and trees that were looking overgrown. We love making everything look sharp and ready for the summer. After trimming all the plants, picking up all the debris, and blowing away the remaining amounts of dirt out of the walkways and driveways, we finally add the new mulch with the color that was chosen by the client. We love doing these jobs, and we think they totally change the way your property is perceived. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments and stay tuned for next week's video.